tell me that your chaturanga doesn't look like this? That's not chaturanga, and I know that you really want to do it, but until you get past your ego and you start to focus on alignment, you're never going to get it. So this is the first thing we're going to do is when you come into your chaturanga, I want you to look forward. Everyone always looks back. And what happens when you look back is you hunch over your shoulders. You'll never get it if you hunch your shoulders. For a lot of people, that tip right there will be the only thing that they need, and it'll clean them up. They'll be able to do chaturanga. For the rest of us, normal human beings, we're going to need a little bit more help. Get your yoga egg or your block, whatever you have. The egg is better, but if you don't have an egg, get a block, whatever. You use what you have. And if you don't have a block, get some books. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever can be about this height. You're going to bring your hands on either side of the egg. When you come down to the ground, you're going to drop the knees. You're going to look forward, spread the fingertips wide, come down, touch it. Your elbows are going to come together. This is what our chaturanga would look like on the top part, and that's why we want to do it that way. Then we drop down, come into our cobra. What we've done here is we've trained our upper body to start doing chaturanga the way that we want it done. And the more you train your body to feel in alignment with the pose, the easier it's going to get. And one day you're going to be able to bring those knees right off of the ground. Light up that follow button for more yoga tips.